This is the Star Learning Series. We are going to do the alphabet letter N. The sound is N. N for night. Say the sound and words after me. N. Night. The opposite of day is night. N. Night sky. I see lots of stars in the night sky. N. Nights shorter. In summer, the nights are shorter. N. Newspaper. He reads the newspaper every day. N. News reporter. The news reporter writes a story for the newspaper. N. Nails. I knock the nails into the wood with a hammer. N. Nails. I have nails at the end of my fingers. N. Nose. This is my nose. Well done. N. Nostril. This is my left nostril. N. Navel. We all have a navel. N. Neck. I hurt my neck. N. Nephew. My sister or brother's son is my nephew. N. Niece. My sister or brother's daughter is my niece. N. Nappy. The baby wears a nappy. N. Next to. The boy is standing next to the box. N. Necklace. My mother is wearing a necklace. N. Nurse. This nurse works in the hospital. N. Nap. I take a nap every afternoon. Well done. N, naughty. This boy is very naughty. N, notes. These are some of the notes in music. N, noise. This music is too loud. It is a noise. N, netball. His sister plays netball at school. N, netball post. This is a netball post. N, netball ball. We play with a netball ball. N, netball court. They play a game on the netball court. N, needle. I use a needle to sew up my pants. N, name. The boy's name is Tabo Seko. N, net. He catches a fish with a net. N, neigh. The sound a horse makes is called a neigh. Well done. N, nanny goat. A female goat is called a nanny goat. N, nest. The dove builds a nest. N, nestling. A baby bird in the nest is called a nestling. N, north. This arrow is pointing north. N, new. My mom bought me a new dress. N, notice. This is a notice about the soccer meeting. N, noodles. Tom eats noodles for dinner. N, nachi. I peel the skin off the nachi. N, nut. This nut has a hard shell. N, nuts. There are many different kinds of nuts. N, nut. A nut and bolt go together. Well done. N, narrow. The opposite of wide is narrow. N, November. November is the 11th month of the year. N, numbers. These are all called numbers. N, 9. This number is called 9. N, 19. This number is called 19. N, naught. Naught is also called 0. N, nonagon. A nonagon shape has 9 sides. I am a star. Well done. Give yourself a hug.